friends, welcome to my channel. I'm AmandaMuse, and today I'm coming at you with a hair video. So I have a tween. She is 9 years old, and we have been in perpetual lockdown here in Ontario in Canada. And actually, we're finally coming out of lockdown this week, but I have no idea when hair salons will be open again. So perhaps you, like me, was looking to do something to keep our kids entertained and like freshen up the look, because tweens are at an age where they want to, express themselves, and hair is a fabulous way to do that. So today I'm dyeing my daughter's hair at home. We have dyed her hair before one full color. She does have brown hair, and so we chose a darker color. It's like a purpley, metallic purple, something like that. And this time she wanted to just up the ante a little bit, and we did a blonde money piece. I was super stressed out, but she really liked it. So join me as I dye my daughter's hair using all drugstore products. So it was really inexpensive and actually pretty easy to maintain if you wanted to do it again. I figure if I share my experience and it works, it could be beneficial to someone else. And if it doesn't work, you can learn from our mistakes. The plan is to do a blonde money piece with purple hair in the back. We're using the L'Oreal Colorista bleach all over. We figure we'll start with this. We'll do the money piece section. Then once this is done, this is about a 20-minute, 30-minute situation. Oh no, it's about an hour if I'm not mistaken. This could take up to an hour to bleach her hair. Then we come in with this one, which is L'Oreal Feria Power Toner. So then we're gonna tone that money piece because it will naturally be quite brassy. It'll have a lot of orange tones because as you're lifting hair from a brown up to blonde, it goes through all these different segments, right? Like I've gone from brown to blonde many a times, never at home. I'm gonna throw that out there. So wish us luck, but we're gonna tone it. This takes about 5 minutes, maybe 10 max. And then last but not least, we have the Schwarzkopf Got to Be Metallic. So we dyed her hair this color before. It looked really great. Amethyst Chrome, it looked lovely in her hair before. So we're just gonna be touching it up. It's a little bit faded. And this takes about 20 minutes. I'm trying to decide like if it's possible to, actually, I was trying to see if it was possible to do parts of it at the same time, but I don't wanna mess up the blonde. Like, you know what I mean? I'm scared about the blonde. So worst case, if it looks terrible, we could do all over with the amethyst and it would just be lighter pieces in the front. So we have options.
Because I already have blonde pieces in my hair. They're just all faded out.
That's true. So wish us luck. We've got the 3 things. Wish us luck. Woo. Okay. Here's the before.
Why am I smiling? I'm not taking a
picture. Some pieces right here. Just kind of a thinner money piece, not too thick.
Yeah, because you see people that do like that.
Quite thick, yeah, no, we just want like the thin pieces.
I think we're just gonna probably
turn your head a little bit to the door.
That.
And you can see that it's, it still has that red tone.
Yeah.
It's just a little bit faded, so.
Yeah, especially at the roots.
Yeah, and your hair does take to bleach. This is bleach from before that's just kind of toned a weird color right now.
Because it was bleached and then it was and then it faded to an orange, and then you put purple dye and then it fades.
It pulls the blue and the green and
then it just ends up like this like midnight thing. Hi.
You know who Nick Carraway is?
Can I say the movie that we're watching?
Sure.
Oh, we're watching this movie called Moxie. It's my favorite movie on Netflix.
Scared. Okay, here we go. All right, so you're happy with these sizes?
Yeah.
That's it?
I think they looks good.
All right.
Well,
Foil?
Can I watch my show now?
Yep. Now we are at the 30-minute mark, and you can go a total of 1 hour. So let's see where we're at.
But nothing more than 1 hour.
Oh, I see it getting lighter.
Oh, see? You don't let me see.
Wow.
Mom, I can't see it.
It's working.
Whoa.
I can't see it.
Don't move so much. Hold on.
I'm not moving at all.
Okay, so nice.
Weesh.
It's really working well, actually. Can you guys see the color change there?
preview of what it looks like because it's tinfoil. So
We have 5 minutes left on the timer. So we did the full 1 hour on the bleach because she has dark brown hair. And now we are going to mix up the toner. So far, I'm pretty impressed with the L'Oreal Colorista All Over Bleach. It's working if you do it properly, so fingers crossed she likes it. So now we're gonna take this one. I was reading the instructions and we're going out with option A. So it says a total of 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna pay attention over 5 to 10 minutes and see how it looks. Go from there. Mixing bowl and brush, which I have just washed. And then we've got these guys. So what I'm doing, I don't know if it's smart, but I'm mixing it in the bowl so that I can actually keep this. So if I need to tone it more, that I don't waste all of the product in one go. So I'm just kind of doing the math and figuring out this to this ratio and just putting it in here. I'm thinking that's fine. Don't need too much. Oops, I don't need very much. Step 2 is the color, or I suppose this is actually step 1. And now we're gonna take this out.
yay! Oh my god, it looks so good. And then after you add toner, it'll be like Pierce Blonde.
There.
Ah, that's my
Okay.
face.
So
It looks so good.
here's where we're at. We just blow dried it.
Yeah.
It is definitely on the yellowy, brassy side, as
So-
expected, right? When
Yeah.
you're lifting it from your dark color.
And so now we're gonna tone it. It's a power tone.
Power tone. We have it all mixed up. Yep. I have a newfound respect for my hairstylist, Courtney, who makes this look incredibly easy. Perfect. We have a couple minutes left as she waits for the toner to do its thing. We're gonna rinse that out. And then the last step is using this one. I'll be mixing the developer and the cream inside my mixing bowl, and then we're good to go. It's been 10 minutes. They say you can do 15, but like, I don't know. I'm just like, you know what, at this point,
I'm just doing TikTok dances.
it doesn't look like it's done all that much from here, although it looks far less brassy.
It's like when we tried to make.
So we're gonna rinse this out.
It's like when we tried to make key lime pie, and then it was a fake recipe.
We're gonna take a little Vaseline
What was my face like that?
and just go around her edges.
Yeah. So if you don't use Vaseline, you'll probably end up like.
I mean, it didn't stay too bad.
No,
the
it just,
last
like-
time.
Guys, comment down below what your favorite movie is. Because I'm bored and my mom's gonna tell me what you guys said. So. And comment if you like my hair at the end, and if you don't,
Don't say anything.
okay. Yeah.
We're only here for the love.
Yeah. Hashtag good vibes only.
I mean, we're real life. If bad things happen, but we don't like trolls.
I don't like the haters.
No.
Haters gonna hate. It's cold.
Ta-da! So how do you like it?
I love it so much. I'm looking in the mirror behind, but I really like it.
So let's see. You
I-
can see how rich. We'll have to do some in the light tomorrow, like
Yeah.
outside. The dark color came through
And then
nice and rich.
got
The money piece came through lovely.
Yeah.
I was saying to Esme if she wanted it a bit brighter.
I actually kind of like it darker, but that's just me.
Yeah, because we could always do it next weekend, like do it one more time.
Yeah.
Brighten and then put the toner. But I think it worked out pretty good.
Yeah, I think I really like it. Now I gotta go and show my dad.
Mission accomplished. I am tired. It is late. So that's a wrap. We did not, in fact, come back to redo the money piece because she likes it. And I find that the color, it is a bit more of a warmer blonde, but it works with her warm complexion. And honestly, she's been rocking it. It looks amazing. She's also been swimming in the pool outside and it hasn't seemed to fade. So I highly recommend. Great products. I was thrilled with the results. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and if you end up doing your hair or your kids' hair, be sure to tell me. Hit me up on Instagram at AmandaMuse and share some pics. All right guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.